Well, the start of the new financial year also marks the time to start preparing your income tax returns for the previous year. One of the most important things for you to avoid is attracting the attention of the income tax department and a notice. Now, we are joined by Teena Jain, Kaushal, editor Money Today, who tells you what really attracts the attention of the department. Teena, there are a number of reasons for receiving an IT notice. Now, what should an income taxpayer do to avoid them in the first place as well?
Receiving a tax notice can be a daunting and unpleasant experience, leaving many wondering what to do next. Broadly, there are main 5 reasons why a taxpayer may receive a notice from the Income Tax Department. First is mismatch with Form 26AS or Annual Information Statement. A mismatch between the TDS stated in your ITR and Form 26AS can lead to a notice from the Income Tax Department. To avoid any such discrepancy, it is essential to cross-check it in Form 26AS and Annual Information Statement while filing ITR. Second reason can be a high-value transaction. This is because your high-value transactions are shared by banks or other third-party sources with the Income Tax Department. If these details do not tally with the ITR of the taxpayer, one may receive a notice under Section 142, subsection 1 and Section 143, subsection 2 for additional information. Third common reason is set-off of refund against the old tax demand. The Income Tax Department has the power to set off refunds due against any outstanding demand, and there is no time limit prescribed for issuing this notice. Here, the tax officer issues a notice under Section 245, providing an opportunity for the taxpayer to file objections, if any. Fourth can be non-filing of income tax return. The Income Tax Department conducts an e-campaign to notify taxpayers who still need to file their ITR for a specific assessment year. Fifth and last reason for notice could be defect in the income tax return. This is a system-generated notice under Section 139, subsection 9. You would receive it when the tax department encounters a defect or an error while processing the income tax return.
That's right, Teena. I mean, like, those are all the points that one must remember to really do as a prevention of attracting the IT department's eye on our own tax paying as well. But if a notice has been received, then what can the taxpayer do to resolve the situation?
If you receive a notice from the Income Tax Department, it is essential to understand the reason for the notice. Once you understand the discrepancy, you need to respond to the intimation, for which you need to visit the Income Tax website and click on the tab stating Response to Outstanding Tax Demand. If you agree, pay the demand raised, otherwise you need to give reason why it is incorrect. The important point here is you should carefully review the notice and, if needed, seek guidance from a tax expert to ensure that you respond appropriately.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.